We heard some interesting comments there about the relationship between manufacturers and end users and how sometimes it's frowned upon. We have a lot of this all the time, but we consider it a vital part of the relationship. But you have a special understanding of how manufacturing consultants should work together, don't you?
Definitely. So first of all, we are not in a position to meet all our end customers directly. So consultants are for us a way to understand also about needs of end customers, and we need to inform consultants about the new things that we are having on the roadmap so that they can come up with, let's say, new solutions that are really future-proof for their customers. So the way we look at it, consultants are definitely people that we have to partner with, and our ambition is to do actually a much better job towards consultants. We have to improve in that area.
What information do you think they need from a manufacturer? One of the clients here was operating a consultancy portal that they're launching at Infocom. Is it difficult to actually keep consultants informed? Is that a difficult process to manage?
Well, it's difficult because everybody has little time. So you have to, first of all, find the right information and to be able to provide it at the right time. And in essence, what we also see is that a lot of the information that we have is too technical. So you have to kind of be able to make kind of more abstract information so that a consultant sees right away, okay, this is something where I have a need or an application for or a customer requirement, and when I need some more detailed information, I can get the diagrams and I can get deeper if needed. And that's also where we are really a bit struggling. The really technical information, we have that, but we have to make sure that it's more appropriate to be, let's say, integrated in kind of a complete design framework.
How do you know what it is that consultants require then, if that's the case? How do you assess their requirements?
Well,
how do you make sure that you can give them what they actually need?
The only way to do that is actually just to work with them and to go through the process. It's, we cannot do this in our own corner. We have to work with them to do this. So in a way, this event is interesting because you meet with some people, you hear some interesting perspectives of what they expect, and some of them are quite open to say, look, if you want to talk to us, come over and we'll explain what we are really looking for.
That's good to hear, actually. Do you find that this is a common problem with most manufacturers, in fact, that they've neglected consultants, certainly within our sphere? You find that their influence is almost removed the further down the chain you go until you get to the end user. For sales, commercial reasons, for whatever, the end user tends not to have that link with the manufacturer, but they need to have that link with the manufacturer as well as a consultant, I feel.
Well,
it depends how the chain's set up, and you don't deal directly with end users, but...
Well, we deal with some end customers directly, and we believe it makes sense to get involved with end users at some point in some cases, because you also learn from these cases. That if you only get your information through your partners, your integrators, your consultants, you also get at some point a biased view on things, and you also at some point you have to experience the challenges and the problems of customers in real life, and not only of the person that pays the check, but also the guys that are using the system. So it's not an or thing, it's an and thing. You have to do both. You have to be in the field, not to push your product, but really to understand what solution people are looking for.